1. Which is the best synonym for the word advocate? A. Determine. B. Predict. C. Pronounce. Or D. Support. The answer is letter D. Support, as it is synonymous with the word advocate. A distinctive type of literary composition such as epic, tragedy, comedy, and novel. A. Genre. B. Literature. C. Prose. Or D. Form. The answer is letter A. Genre. Genre is a category of artistic composition, as in music or literature, characterized by similarities in form, style, or subject matter. Number 3. Which term proves there is a gap of knowledge about the research topic? A. Research locale. B. Blank spot. C. Research instrument. Or D. Blind spot. The answer is letter B. Blank spot. It refers to identifying areas where knowledge is lacking, whether in a specific study scope, a field of study, or in a collective understanding. Number 4. Which of the illustrative verbs in stating objectives does not belong to the group? A. Define. B. Realize. C. Explain. Or D. Cite. The answer is letter B. Realize. It means to become fully aware of something as a fact or understand clearly. Number 5. 8 pumps can fill a tank in 25 minutes. How long will 5 pumps of the same kind can fill a tank? A. 50. B. 30. C. 80. Or D. 40. The answer is letter D. 40. The time for one pump is equals to 8 times 25 equals 200 minutes. So one pump fills the tank in 200 minutes. So meaning, time for 5 pumps is equals to 5,200 equals 40 minutes. Number 6. Ang tawag sa mga Pilipinong pumupunta sa ibang bansa upang magsimula ng himagsikan laban sa mga dayuhan. A. Pilibustero. B. Kristiyano. C. Terorista. O D. Dayuhan. The answer is letter A. Pilibustero. Literally, it refers to a rebel, revolutionary, or a person who engages in unauthorized military expeditions for political motives. Or in the context of Philippine history and Jose Rizal's novel El Filibusterismo, it specifically referred to a subversive individual, a revolutionary, or anyone who challenged the authority of the Spanish colonial government and the church. 7. Malalim ang bulsa ng kanyang nanay. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay A. Mapera. B. Walang pera. C. Kuripot. Or D. Mapagbigay. The answer is letter C. Kuripot. It describes someone who is reluctant to spend money, sometimes to an extreme degree. Kilala siya sa tawag na Piping Dilat. A. Jose Rizal. B. Marcelo del Pilar. C. Juan Luna. Or D. Andres Bonifacio. The answer is letter B. Marcelo del Pilar. Del Pilar used these and other pseudonyms to write and publish works criticizing the Spanish colonial government in the Philippines, including articles and pamphlets. 9. Which parts of the Visayas has or have comparatively more excessive moist climate and limited arable lands? A. Western. B. Eastern. C. Eastern and Central. Or D. Central and Western. Is limited by this geography, despite being a top producer of crops like abaca and coconut. The answer is letter B. Eastern Visayas. This is due to its high rainfall and rugged terrain. While the region is predominantly agricultural, of the seven continents comprising continuous landmass surrounded by big bodies of water, the biggest, or 30.1% of the Earth is A. Asia, B. Australia, C. Europe, or D. Northern America. The answer is letter A. Asia. Asia spans about 44,579,000 square kilometers or 17,212,000 square miles.